Hi guys, in the last video we completed working on our project, so now we are ready to upload the project to the online server. So for that we require two things. The first thing is the code files of the project and the other thing is the database file. So we already have the code files, so now let's go ahead and get the database files. So for that let's go to phpMyAdmin. So localhost and phpMyAdmin. In phpMyAdmin, select the database, which is registration. Select it, and while this database is selected, click this button, export, and here select the SQL from the drop down and click this go button. Now you can see that our database is downloaded. So now we have our code files as well as our database files. So now we will actually put them in one folder and compress that folder. So now let's go to downloads, and here we have our database. Cut it and go to htdocs folder, and here is our project folder. So go inside it and paste the database file. Go back, and now we want to actually compress this folder, so compress it. So now we are ready to upload this file to our online server. So let's go to the cpanel of my website, cpanel.phpfragments.com. It's taking a bit time due to slow internet connection. Now we are redirected. Let's enter the credentials. Now login successful, redirecting. Now after login you should be able to see this home page of cpanel. So now you want to scroll down until the section files. So from the files section, click this file manager link. Now we are in our website's root directory. So this public HTML is actually the root directory of our website. So make sure this root directory is selected and click this upload button from the top. Now you can choose the file, and the file is XAMPP, htdocs, and this one. We created this file. So open it, and here you can see the status of the upload. It says upload complete. Now click this link to go back, and now you can see here registration.zip file. So extract this file, extract it, close. Now you can see the folder. So now let's go ahead and first create the database of this project. So let's go back to cpanel home, and from here you scroll down to the section where it says databases. So here you can see this databases section. So in the databases section, click this MySQL databases. So click it. Now you can see that now we can create our database here. So all of the database will be prefixed by the username. So my username is Danny93. So let's name our database registration and click this create database section. So click it. So it is saying edit the database Danny93_registration. So let's go back. Now you can see here our database has been created. So it is currently empty, 0.00 MB. So now scroll down, and here you can see the MySQL users section. Add a new user. Here it says. So now let's add a new user called me, and the password for that user is registration 321. Registration 321, and click this create user button. Create it. So now you can see you have successfully created a MySQL user named Danny93_me. Go back. Now you can see that our database is created and our user is also created. Here you can see this. Now we actually want to assign a user to this database so that this user can use this Danny93_registration database. So now let's go and scroll below. As you can see, add a user to a database. So you can select a user here, which is Danny93_me, and select the database, which is Danny93_registration. So click this add button, click it, and now it will ask us to tell the privileges we want to give our database user. Click this select all, then check this one, delete and drop. Actually we are saying that our user cannot delete and drop the tables. So our user can do anything else except dropping and deleting. So click this make changes button. So you have successfully granted privileges on the database Danny93_registration to the MySQL user Danny93_me. So let's go back. Now actually let's go to home. Now we want to go back to the file manager. So we actually already have it open. So inside file manager, go inside the registration folder we just extracted some time back. So inside that folder we have our registration.sql file, which is our database file. So right click it and go open it with a code editor. Click it, and now just copy all the code, copy and close it. And now you can also delete this file because we don't need it anymore. So delete it. Now let's scroll down. First come back to the home of the cPanel and scroll down until you see the section on databases. And now this time we want to click this phpMyAdmin link. So click it, and it is saying the system will redirect you in a moment. So let's wait some time until we are redirected to phpMyAdmin. Actually this is a phpMyAdmin for this website, not the local host which we were using throughout our course. So let's wait a bit. My internet connection is very slow, that's why it's taking so much time. It should not take that much time actually, but we have to wait until the process is completed. Sorry guys, you will have to wait. So what's the problem? Why it is taking so much time? Let's close it and try it out again. The system will redirect you in a moment. It is still slow, I don't know why. So guys, my internet connection is very slow, so let's do it in the next video. So stay tuned until the next video.